What's up, guys? Galen Bryan back at you here with another video today. Happy Friday here in the US. Coming at you from Chicago, Chi-Town. What's going on? In this video, I'm going to give you my complete and honest review on SAN, or Super Affiliate Network, best or also known as SAN. Okay, is it legit? Is it a scam? Can you see success from it? Can you not see success from it? So forth and so on. Okay, so if you like this video after it's over, you don't like it yet because you haven't listened to all of it. So after it's over, make sure you hit the thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to this channel because I'm coming out with daily content that shows you how you can create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, so that you can quit your 9-to-5 job soon. 9-to-5 job soon if you want to. Like me, I don't know, I like my job, but I also like making my passive income. So if you like making passive income, if you like learning how to make money online, subscribe to this channel, subscribe right now, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another video that I'm going to come out with, all right? So you don't want to miss out on anything, just stay tuned, listen up, thank you. So let's get right to the content. My honest and real opinion and review on Super Affiliate Network, aka SAN. Let's hop into the computer right now. Alright guys, Super Affiliate Network. So first thing you do is you go to, I'm already logged in, but superaffiliatenetwork.com or the superaffiliatenetwork.com, right? It'll load, it'll think, la-di-dee-la-di-da. Whoa, my internet Wi-Fi went out. Bear with me 1 second here, guys. Hopefully I'll come back on fairly soon. There we go. Let's refresh the page. There it is. So here's a Super Affiliate Network. It says a vehicle of change for those who know there's more to life. We show aspiring online entrepreneurs how to grow their revenue and profits through strategic education, ongoing membership, and personal hands-on help. Our services include top-of-the-line information products, done-for-you services, one-on-one coaching, and in-person hands-on training. So you can go to the superaffiliatenetwork.com and check it out, see what you think about it. The founder of the network is Misha Wilson. Misha has a very interesting story, very interesting. He's basically a self-made millionaire. You heard the story. A lot of the guys are coming out with, showing their results online, how they've had success, and now they're coming out with their own networks, their own trainings, their own products, right? And trying to get as many people as they can to join them. So that's Misha. He's, I've listened to some of his videos. He's relatable. He looks like he's a foreigner, but he's not, or he doesn't sound like one. But he's a cool guy and he's trustworthy. But let's get back into the network. So 6 key components that make us stand out from the crowd. And this is what Super Affiliate Network or SAN, excuse me 1 second. This is what SAN really says this is what they give you. So they give you hands-on coaching. So we have dedicated coaches ready to help you with your online business. So basically SAN is an affiliate network that teaches you basically how to grow an online business, how to do internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to grow your own business and how to make it sustainable. Okay, there is a coach, so once you go here, get started, you'll sign in. Well, I'll leave a link in the description for it. I took you right again to the sign-in page. So once you get to this page, the home page, if you don't have a login, you'll click here to learn more, and then there'll be this video or get instant access. Well, there's a video when I signed up. You hit your email there, and then you go to the next step. Okay, it's only $1. It's $1 trial for 7 days, I believe. Yeah, 7 days. And you can test out the program, look at some of the trainings. You will have to go through module 1. So here I am in my back office. So you start here and you watch this first introductory video. and then you go to phase 1. And phase 1 has different modules. Phase 1 is laying the foundation. And so phase 1 talks about, here's Misha in the video, like a minute video, and you go through each module, right? Module 1, 2, and 3, strategy versus tactics, the 5 pillars of millionaire mind. So a lot of these videos here, these modules, is really what every network has. Every network starts out with, let me give you an introduction to how you make money online, or what the whole make money online business strategy or model looks like. And then they give you the 5 pillars. What are the 5 pillars that you need within yourself or within your business to be successful? And then module 3, the millionaire mindset, because you become what you think about, and what you think about has a way of manifesting itself into the physical, right? So the millionaire mindset, like I said, these 3 modules is what I don't care what affiliate network you're into, they all have some type of training that starts out like this, okay? So you'll go through each one of these modules, and then you have to talk with your coach. So you get with your coach. Let me go down to the front page. Like it says, hands-on coaching. So you have a personal coach, a coach where you can actually talk to and ask questions with him. You can video chat with this coach. Anything you want to do, he's right there available for you. Email, Skype, or Zoom is what they use as for a webinar. They'll just give you an overview of what SAN is. They give you an overview of the pricing structure, and that's one thing. One thing with SAN I don't particularly agree with is that they start you out with $1, right? So you pay the $1, go through the 3 modules, talk to your coach, and then your coach has to unlock the next sessions. So after you go through the modules, they ask you, what did you get from this module? You type it in, you hit submit, and that shows your coach that you're doing the modules, right? You want to make sure you're doing it before you go to the next training, because you don't want to skip over stuff because you might miss something, right? So you go through the module, you talk to your coach, and then your coach will tell you, okay, there's different pricing structures, okay? After you go through the 3rd module, he'll unlock 4, 5, and 6. Modules 4, 5, and 6. You look at those videos, 4, 5, and 6, and then Misha basically goes over the pricing and the pricing structure, and then the affiliate structure within SAN, right? But he does not tell you the prices in his video. Misha doesn't. You have to talk to your coach. So then you get back on the phone, your coach schedules a webinar with you or a call with you, and then you talk to him or her, and your coach tells you the pricing structure. So it's like $47 a month just to be a partner that you have to pay. But SAN also has a high ticket offer, and usually with Super Affiliate Network or any network, in order for you to promote or be an affiliate to earn commissions on the high ticket items, you have to purchase them. I like to always say, if you want to promote an item, you should be an owner and a product of the item, right? But sometimes you want to be able to promote courses that are under a program or a network that you just like, you enjoy, and you feel comfortable with, without having to pay for all of them. And so the next course, the high ticket offer, it costs $22,800, I believe it is. You have to pay $2,800 in order to get commissions if you send traffic to SAN, and that's to say that person upgrades to the next level and they pay the $2,800. Well, you don't get a commission off that $2,800 unless you have purchased it yourself. So just keep that in mind, and just let you know a heads up before you go into the program, just so you know what you're getting yourself into. Okay. So you get hands-on coaching, which is good. You get to talk to a live person, which some networks do not have that. But just be wary. Some networks out there, they do that just so that they can push you harder, because it's easy for you to say no to the computer, but it takes a little more work to push a person away from you, or to push a person not to sell something to you, right? So you get hands-on coaching. You get email marketing automation. You learn how to do that. Cutting edge traffic training, global sales system, live trainings, and more. And then live interactive community. So they have a Facebook community here. Let's scroll down. Oh, it's probably getting started here. So the Insiders Club is their private Facebook community. You click there to get. You want to be a part of community. Community is everything. Because if you can't ask your coach, you can ask those who are already in the program. who may have more experience than you. Okay, and you have daily calls at 12 p.m. It's probably Misha or somebody else under Misha that gives like a motivational call every day, and then you just start your training. Okay, so Super Affiliate Network seems like it's a pretty legit program. Just be mindful of the upsells. You will always have an upsells, and be mindful that it's optional. You can promote SAN without, purchasing the high ticket offer, but you only get a commission when someone joins the program, like the $49 a month program. You get a commission off of that. If they upgrade to the high ticket offer, you won't get a commission for that. That just goes to your coach or to the person who sells them on the high ticket offer. Okay, you don't get it. So if you want the high ticket offer, you have to pay the $2,800. Okay. So Super Affiliate Network, it seems like it's a pretty legit program. It's like any other program out there. They have a refund policy. So if you want to try SAN out, it's only $1. You can, except for $1, right? You can invest $1. Right. You can invest $1, then you might just go get a job before you invest or even think about starting your own business, because starting your own business costs money. So it's $1 trial. Look at it, test it out, see what you think about it. If you don't like it, get a refund. You get your dollar back, or get a month's back, $47. It's a refund policy. So, guys, if you like this video, hopefully it was a little insightful about Super Affiliate Network and gave you just a little bit more information before you go into it, before you check out the program, and before you just be more knowledgeable when you go into it. Okay. So if you like this video, if this was helpful, thumbs up, hit the like button. And if you like this kind of content, making money online, reviews on other products out there, whether it's affiliate products, ClickFunnels, ClickBank, email autoresponders, any other affiliate products that are coming out and that are in the making, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I come out with daily content, guys. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Kalen Bryant. Also, SAN. If you want to check out Super Affiliate Network, you can. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check that out. I also have other resources in the link, like my #1 recommendation to make money online. Also my free book that shows you step by step how to start affiliate marketing is free. You don't have to pay anything. Just check it out. That would be the first link in the description. I'll have SAN also for you to check out. I'm not affiliate with SAN. I did not buy the high ticket product. So I'm not an affiliate, so you can check it out if you want to, down below. I also have other resources like ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels can help you just catapult your business online. So you want to have ClickFunnels. So I have that down. I have the email autoresponder, Aweber, as well as GetResponse. Check those out. If you're dropshipping, Shopify is below. And if you need services like a logo, if you need someone to write a book for you or to add copy for you, or a website, do a website for you, whatever, Fiverr.com is the best. That's also in the description down below. So just check it out, guys. So my spiel is over. Caleb Bryant out. Peace. Have a good day or night or whatever.